In this video, I'll talk about how you can get free money on Webull. Now there are a few ways that you can do this, but keep in mind you need to be located in America before this is gonna work. So what you wanna do is you wanna head over to the website and you can usually get a sign-up bonus. Now they run promotional offers, so sometimes they don't have it, most of the time they have it. And what this means is when you sign up to an account, you're gonna get a free stock. So the stock can be usually between $3,000 to $3,000. Now this is how you claim it. Just sign up, complete verification. Once your account is approved, you will get your free stock. Now the second one is a deposit bonus. So this basically means when you deposit a minimum amount, can be 100, can be 200, depends on the promotion they're running, then you're gonna receive free stocks. Now the last one is a referral bonus. What this means is if you open your Webull app, you're gonna have a unique referral link. If you send this to someone or you have a following on social media or something, if anyone clicks on your link and they sign up and deposit some money, you are gonna receive free stocks as well as they are. So if you share it with 100 people and they all sign up and deposit money, then you're gonna get 100 or even more free stocks. So those are some ways that you can get it for free. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.